Hey, hey, she's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, like a light, like a light. Slept through the flight.
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this absolutely gorgeous cut crease. But before we get into the video, as always, quick shout out to those of you stopping by my channel for the first time. I hope you like what you see, and if you do, don't forget to like, comment and hit the subscribe button down below. And also really quickly, if you like the look of this absolutely gorgeous wig, I've got a review of it literally one video back. This is actually the inspiration for this look, like the whole colour scheme. So if you do like the look of this wig, don't forget to check out the wig review. And yeah, let's get into the tutorial. Guys, so as you can see, I've already done my base and my brows because we're going to be jumping straight into eyeshadow today. The palette that I'm going to be using in today's tutorial is the EYN Bright palette. This is by BeautyBay. It is a 42 colour eyeshadow palette with a gorgeous range of matte and shimmers. I actually used it in my last video, but I did not talk about it because that video had like it was just music throughout the whole video. So this is what the palette looks like. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to be working mainly with the bottom row just to like match my hair. So let's get straight into the tutorial. As you can see, I've popped some powder below my eyes to catch any fallout. I'm kind of just in that general area to rebake because I do tend to get quite oily. So I'm going to prime my lids with some concealer. This is the Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C12. I always work with a wet base, so this means just concealing or using whatever eyeshadow base you use and not setting it with a powder, basically. So the first colour I'm going to be using is Modern Way. The next shade I'm picking up is this shade right here, and this colour is called Hot Stuff. So I'm taking a smaller brush and I'm literally just going to pack that right above Modern Way, the purple shade. And obviously we are pressing and patting because our base is still wet. I'm just going to take this pad. This is like a little sponge thing, and just take away the pink eyeshadow. You can kind of see it's coming off on the sponge, and then yeah, your brush is basically clean. Even though it's stained, it's like clean. So I'm going to use it to buff out the edges darker. Now I'm going back in with the purple, bringing that a little bit higher. I'm going to take the shades Drama Queen and Stormy Night and put that in my outer corner. And then I'm just going to blend out the edges. So now I'm going to be cutting my crease with C12, the concealer I use to prime my lids. Yeah, I might do this off camera, I don't know. I'm really bad when it comes to cutting my crease. I need maximum concentration. That actually went really well. So hopefully I can do the same on the other eye. That actually went very amazing. I'm just going to take it off. So this is my crease cut, and I think it came out really nice, and that is more or less even. So I'm taking a flat eyeshadow brush and I'm going to dip into Modern Way, which is our crease shade. And I'm just going to lightly run that over our cut, I'm just gonna run it in the transition area above the cut crease. I don't know how to say it in a like technical manner, but you're finna see this. So I'm just doing this just to define where I placed it earlier, basically. And just to sharpen up the cut crease. So I'm taking another flat brush and I'm picking up the shade Sugar Plum, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. Back into the palette again, I'm picking up this pink shade here, and the shade is called Tutu. And finally for our lid, I'm going to pick up this gorgeous shade right here, which is kind of like a cream, and it's called Bare Necessity, which I think is such a beautiful name, and this is my last lid colour. So as you can see, that is so gorgeous. Now that all these shades are on, I'm going to start blending them all together. Really nice, smooth and seamless transition. So for below my waterline, I'm going to take a mix of Drama Clean and Stormy Night and just pop that right below. Lovely, that's very, very nice, really, really smoky. And then I'm just going to blend that out with a teeny weeny bit of Hot Stuff. Okay, it's coming through a little bit. And then finally for my tear ducts, I'm going to be taking this really gorgeous kind of ultraviolet colour, which is called Fairy Tale, and I'm going to put that in my tear duct. But I'm going to spray my brush because sometimes this colour needs a little bit more help to shine through. Because this look is nice and dramatic, these are the lashes I'm going to be using. I get all my lashes off AliExpress. So my lashes are on, and this is the eye look more or less done. But I just want to switch it up a little bit. Sometimes in my tear duct, I actually like to put a contrasting colour just to give the look a totally different kind of vibe. So I think I'm going to go in with a green. I know it sounds crazy, but I think it might look cute. So I'm going to take Frosted Lime, this colour right here, and I'm just going to pop a tiny bit of that on, just a tad, just a little bit, to see how it looks, because purple and green are contrasting colours, so I think it might just give it a really different look. But let's just see if it's horrendous. I don't know. Oh no, that's cute. Okay, I like that. I quite like that. Like it's really different. That is nice. I might deepen it a tad, a matte shade. I'll go here like that. That is gorgeous. It's kind of giving me slime vibes, like an almost neon green vibe. So to highlight, I'm going to start off with my Revolution Pro Supreme Mental Highlighter. I'm going to be using the darkest shade. This is like my normal highlighter colour. I'm just going to slap that on in the usual areas. And don't worry if it looks a little bit somehow, because I always blend out my highlighter. don't worry if it looks a little bit funky. I always blend my highlighter and my transition shade like together. Don't even worry about that. Yeah. So just to make this look a little bit more playful, a little bit like I'm going to be using my Carmi palette, okay, the Kiss of Fire palette. My one is really massive, and because I'm going to be using like maybe a range of these colours, the purples and the pinks, to kind of give me a nice colourful highlighter. So I'm just going to dip into like all of them and see what we come up with. Hopefully nothing too pigmented, because I still want it to be like a wearable look, but to be honest, you can wear anything, you know what I mean? Yeah, that is exactly what I want. I don't know if it's coming up on camera, but it is like, it's pink basically, which is what I wanted to go for. Yeah, that's all I wanted to do really. Just give it a little bit of colour on my cheeks. I'm going to add a little bit more pink, mainly in my cheek area, to kind of act like a bit of a blush as such, and then just blend that out again. So for my lips, I'm probably gonna do something glossy, like a purple gloss. And that is that. Now I'm wondering if I like the lip. The thing with me is I just don't think coloured lips suit me, like, but for the look I thought I would, but I don't know. Gonna go for it, you know. Sometimes try different things, you know, like it doesn't look that bad, but I just hate myself in coloured lips. I don't know, but yeah. So this is the finished look, guys. As you can see, I decided to switch up the lip. It was just way too colourful for me, and I felt like it was really overpowering the eyeshadow. And usually when I do really colourful look, I like to go more or less neutral on my lips, so I think this is much better. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and hit the subscribe button down below, and hopefully I'll see you in a later video.